So this is topic 4.3. It's all about word problems. You're going to need your pencil and your notes. Our objective is to draw pictures in order to solve equation word problems. This is called the Singapore method, where you have to draw a picture, then turn the picture into a math problem, solve the math problem, and write a sentence. So it's topic 4.3. We're going to use Roman numeral number 3, equation word problems. And what you need to know for these is that you're going to draw two shapes. One is a line that represents the biggest number, or the whole, and the other are bars to represent the parts of the whole. So let's look at number 1. Annika has $90 and she spent $30 on a CD. How much money does Annika still have? Well, $90 is our biggest amount, so that's our whole. So Annika has $90. So we're going to draw a line for that. That's $90. Of that $90, she spent $30 on a CD, so that's a part, so it's a bar. And then she spent, and we want to know how much money she has left, so that's another bar. This is our unknown. And I know that if I take these two parts of the unknown and combine them, they'll create this other part. So if we take the unknown and we add the 30 to it, we're going to get the $90. Whatever she has left plus the $30 she spent will equal the $90. So now let's solve this. We want to know what x equals, so we need to get rid of this plus 30. Remember, this is our little wall right here. How do I get rid of a plus 30? I want to get rid of that. We're going to subtract 30. So it's gone. But now our equation is all lopsided because of the, we haven't done the same thing to both sides. We haven't used the subtraction property of equality. So since I subtracted 30 from this side, I need to subtract 30 the other side to keep it balanced. So I'm going to subtract 30 here. I get 60. Annika has $60. So Annika has $60. Okay. I'm going to erase all this so I have enough room. While I'm erasing it, when you write the word problem for number 2, I want you to draw a heart next to that word problem. And inside the heart, I want you to put the word mom. That lets me know that you watched this whole thing. So next to the 2, draw a heart and then mom. Okay, so here Joe spent $45 on several pets. He spent $20 on a turkey, $5 on a fish, and some amount of money on a kangaroo. How much was the kangaroo? So what is my whole? What's my biggest amount? My biggest thing is $45. Joe spent $45 on some pets. I bet his mother's very pleased. Now, what's the parts of those $45? Well, he spent $20 on a turkey. Not a very good pet. $5 on a fish. And some money on a kangaroo. We don't know how much. But I do know if I put these 3 things together, I'm going to get that number. So I have my $20, my $5, and my unknown is going to equal $45. So $20 plus $5 is how many dollars? It's just $25. Let's just blend that together. So I want to know how much that kangaroo is. I know that if I take the fish money and the turkey money and subtract from his total, we'll find out how much he spent on the kangaroo. So I'm going to subtract 20 from this side, 25, excuse me. And since I subtracted 25 from this side of my equation, I have to keep it equal and subtract it from the other side. Joe spent $20 on a kangaroo. That is a cheap kangaroo. So we write, Joe spent $20 on a kangaroo. Wait a period. Okay. Now to make sure that you're still watching, I want you to circle the number 3 and turn that circle into a happy face. So problem number 3, you're going to circle the 3 and turn that circle into a happy face. And then I'll know if you're watching the whole time. Okay, let's look at this next one. This one's a little bit different. Jonathan ate 12 worms. Gross, Jonathan. That is 7 worms less than his brother. How many worms did his brother eat? So let's think. Jonathan ate 12 worms. Okay, so you've got 12. But this number is 7 less. So if this number is 7 less than the other number, is this my biggest number? No, the other number is going to be bigger because this one is less than the other one. So I've got this unknown biggest number, but I know that part of it is 12, and that is 7 less. Okay? So if I take this number, this unknown number, and I subtract 7 from it, I should get 12. Because however many worms his brother ate, it's 7 more, so we've got to get rid of that, okay? So since I'm going to add 7 here, I'm going to add 7 here. So his brother ate 19 worms. Is 12 7 less than 19? Yes, it is. So Jonathan's brother ate 19 worms. Okay, guys, we'll work on this again tomorrow. So I'll see you then.